First one is core Python. Okay, na? Yes. And second one is advanced Python, guys. Advanced Python. Okay, simply advanced Python. And next one, so DJango framework. DJango framework. And after that, so DJango REST framework. Okay, so simply we are calling a REST API. REST API we are calling. Okay, and later one more module. So database related MySQL or else MongoDB. Okay, in our session both we will discuss. And next web technologies. Web technologies. So here many things there, guys. Again, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Okay, so jQuery related, like these all things, guys. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, and Angular. So many are there. Okay, Angular or React or React. Okay, so like many things there. So these all combination is nothing but Python full stack, guys. It's all combination. Okay, na? So here I'm dividing like a modules wise. So this core Python and advanced Python, guys. This core Python, advanced Python is like one module. Okay, this is the basic first module, guys. Core Python with advanced Python, one module. And next, this DJango framework is the second module, guys. DJango framework is the second module. Okay, na? And the Django REST framework is another module. This one is another module. Okay, so in this Python or in this Django only regularly we will use database related also. Okay, na? So this is not required to learn separately. So as a part of Python or Django framework, we will discuss about the database also. Okay, so this is not a separate module. And again, web technologies related separate module, guys. Web technologies related separate module. Understanding? Yes. So right now this one is like a fourth module. Okay, na? And later some real-time tools we are discussing, guys. Okay, as a fifth module. So some real-time tools we will discuss. So which are very, very important in real-time development. Okay, so for example, after creating the APIs, we are testing APIs, guys. So for that, we have the Postman, guys. Okay, Postman tool we have, and Swagger we have. Okay, Jira we have. Understanding? SDLC lifecycle. Got it? Like this, many tools there, guys. So after discussing these all concepts, so end of the days, 2 weeks we will discuss about the real-time tools. Okay, so 10 to 2 weeks. I mean 10 days to 15 days. 10 days to 15 days we will discuss about all these real-time tools of Postman, Jira, Swagger. Okay, and how we are getting a real-time task in the real-time companies, how we are all communicating. Okay, for example, like GitHub related, okay, GitHub or SVN, like so many are there. So whatever we required, we will discuss about that. For example, logger modules there, okay, logging modules there. So in this, every time who is log in, who is log out, like every data loading here in this logging module. So like many things there, real time related, guys. Okay, na? Many things there. We will discuss about those all modules. If it is Java, so many modules there, like JUnit, Maven, Log4j, like so many are there. In our Python, we have very less modules only, real time related. So we will discuss about those all things. Okay. So this all combination totally Python full stack related, guys. Okay, na? So if anyone wants to join this entire full stack Python full stack related, so 3 months, guys. Okay, na? 3 months time you need to be spend. 3 months. So with 1 month not possible, with 2 months not possible, guys. 3 months time required. Okay, totally to learn complete Python full stack related. Okay, na? So some people only learning Python with database, guys. Some people learning only Python with database. So that is the basic module related. I means after learning Python, some people choosing data science related, Python with data science, Python with Azure, Python with DevOps, okay, Python with robotics, like that. People will choose different courses. Okay, na? So Python with web development related, if you want to be developing Python with DJango, you need to be choose it for developing web applications. I'll give you the all overview. Okay, clearly I will give you. Just now I'm giving overview only. Okay, na? So 3 months duration and every day 1.5 hour time, guys. Okay, so 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 1 hour 30 minutes. So from 7:30 to okay 9. From 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. we'll discuss. So end of the session, 15 minutes, I will interact with you to clarify your doubts every day. Okay, na? To clarify your doubts every day. So simply time everyday session time is so 7:30 to 9 a.m. guys. 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, na? 1.5 hour time. 3 months duration. Clear this one so far? All the people? 3 months duration we need to be spent 7:30 to 9 a.m. 1.5 hour time. Okay, na? So every day 15 minutes I will spend with you to discussing doubts related all things. Okay, and from Monday, guys, from Monday to Saturday, we have the sessions. Okay, na? From Monday to Saturday we have the sessions every day. Only Sunday not there. Okay, so Monday to Friday every day topics we will discuss. Okay, in our class only, myself I will explaining all the topics with the programmatically, guys. Programmatically I will explaining with the live coding. Okay, na? And Saturday, every Saturday we'll conduct exams, guys. Of you related exams. Okay, and mock interviews conducting mock interviews. So when you are attending the interviews, so what kind of questions you are going to get and how you need to explaining all the answers related to questions. So these all things every Saturday will take this session. Okay, na? Online exams also conducting. So you need to attend all the people exams and you'll get your score also. So then you'll get clarification. So how much you are preparing. So what is your level, like that, everything you will get it. Understanding? So every Saturday exams will conduct, guys. Exams will conduct. Clear this one? So all people must be ready for this exam every week. In that week, whatever the topics covering, so based on those all topics, one exam conducting. So regularly you are preparing or not, myself also will understand. Okay. So here no punishments if people are not performing well, but next exam you need to be prepared well and you need to be perform well. Okay. So if you are preparing like that every day, day to day, and if you are attending the all the exams, so then after the 3 months, guys, not only after the 3 months, within 3 months also you will crack your job. Okay, so you can pace the interviews, so easily you can crack the jobs. So myself, I taken number of batches, so many people got jobs, guys. Easily they cracked jobs. Okay, na? So preparation is very important, guys. Without preparing, if you are thinking about job, that is not possible. Okay, na? So I have 8+ years of experience, guys, real time related. Okay, and teaching also I started from 8 years onwards. Various institutes I teach right now. So I'm teaching in Ashok IT. Okay, so 8+ years of experience I have, guys, as a Python developer, Python web developer. So I worked as a full stack developer, guys. Core Python, advanced Python, Django, REST API, like all the things I done. Okay, na? So myself able to tell these all technologies. Not only these, some other things also there. Right now in this Python full stack, these things are required. Okay, na? So faculty name is JS Rao, guys. Okay, na? Just overview I'm giving. Don't worry. Later topic wise we will discuss. Okay. Yes. And I will share one link, guys. I will share one link. You all people can join with that link. So this is a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, everyday class related updates you will get it. And after completing the topic, everyday material, okay, every topic related material you will get it. Okay. And also all topics related one big material also I will share to you. And also every day after completing the session within the day you will get the video link also. Okay, video access also you will get it. So simply here every day we are providing live coding, guys, live coding in class. Okay, and sharing material, sharing the material. Okay, and sharing programs also, guys, sharing programs, whatever the projects we are doing in our session, those all things I will say to you. Sharing programs also. Okay, and also sharing video access, guys, video access link. So from today onwards up to 1 year, guys. Okay, so video access link 1 year validated, guys. So 1 year you can access online access. Understanding? So all videos we are going to be uploading in the cloud platform. So 1 year you can access. Understanding? So 1 year that time enough to learn. So sometimes 1 or 2 days maybe you are missing the class. So those videos you can again watch using this cloud link. Understanding? Yes. So and also in the chat box, guys, whenever I'm discussing the topics related, when you have doubts in the chat box, you can post. So I'll give you that doubt related explanation again. Understanding? Yes. So I will share this WhatsApp link in this chatting. So you all people can join with that. And for more information, so you can contact with this number. Okay, na? So in chatting, I shared one link, that is a WhatsApp link. Through that you can join. So it's a WhatsApp group. There you will get our class related all updates, material, video access link, all the things. And I shared one number also. There is a Ashok IT related management number. Okay, I mean admin number. So about the course details and more, you can get using this number. Okay, na? And our Ashok IT related website also there, guys. So using that website, you can get the content also. Okay. So see, guys, here the online trainings related. So like all the things there. Okay, in this course, what we are offering, like all the things. So then you will get totally subject related here content there, guys. Everything. Okay, na? Why required to learn like all the things you will get it. Whatever the topics we are going to be covering here, like all the things. Okay, na? So always you can follow this online site. Okay, our institute related. More updates you will get it every day. Okay, na? Yes. And here course course cost, guys, 18K, guys, 18K for 3 months. Okay. So and modules wise dividing Python module majorly, Django module, and REST API and web technologies, like 4 modules majorly, and real-time tools. So these all things in all the modules covering, guys. Okay, na? So if you want to learn only Python, nothing but core Python and advanced Python, including video access, guys. Okay, na? Including video access. So 8K you need to be spent, guys, including video access. Okay, na? Yes. So later you can decide after learning the Python. So web applications like Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, like these kind of applications, if you want to be developed, then DJango framework is required. Okay. So this one, 8K, guys, 8K. Okay, na? Yes. Next, web technologies, guys. Web technologies are nothing but HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, these all things. So web technologies, if you want to be learn here, so 2K, guys. Okay, na? 2K you need to be spent. Clear this one? So in this here, Django with REST API, you will get it 8K. Django with REST API, Python, core Python, advanced Python, you will get with 8K, guys. Okay. So total package, if you are taking, totally 18K, guys. 18K. Okay, in that real-time tools and also mini projects I'll cover, guys. After completing these all topics, so some projects, guys. Okay, so three mini projects we will do it. So here a lot of coding you will get it, guys. Real time how people are doing. Lot of coding you will get it. Okay, na? So in our class only live coding I will show you, and also same time you can do in your laptops these projects, and when you are getting problems I will solve those problems. So in these projects, registrations, logins, logouts, profiles creating, profile updating related, okay, and also UI related, menus how creating, navigation menus, model forms how creating, like it's all covering, guys. So like many projects if you are doing, then by putting experience also after joining into the real-time companies, so you can handle more easily, you can developing your projects more easily. Okay. So the people who wants to put experience, those people require to learn these real-time tools, guys. So just I given here some names only, many names there, guys. Many names here there. Okay, na? So based on the concepts, one by one, we will get about all the real-time tools. And also I said, end of the course, resume preparation, how we can make it our resume more effectively after uploading into the Naukri or LinkedIn. So immediately interview person need to be look into our resume. Okay. So for that, we need to be make it more effective our resume. So how we are building our resumes more easily, more effectively with important topics. These all things. So I will take care, guys. Okay. Mock interviews also take caring, exams conducting, and also lot of materials will share related to technical questions and also logical questions. Okay. So I prepared many files, guys, many PDF files. So interview questions related, question and answers related, every topic related you will get, and you need to be prepared well. Clear so far, all the people? This is the overview about the course planning. Okay, na? Here any doubt there? Anyone? So you all people need to put time and every day, whatever the topic I'm covering in this session. So when coming to next class, you need to be read 100%. Then definitely without getting any confusion, all people can understanding this Python related. Okay. And end of the days, you are only able to developing your own projects also, guys. So I'll take care of that related. Okay, na? So here separate database we are not discussing, guys. So as a part of Python, we are discussing database. As a part of Django with REST API also, we are discussing database. Okay, na? So majorly we will discuss about the MySQL DB and also MongoDB. I will take care. Okay, na? We have so many databases like MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, like many DBs there. No need to learn about all the databases. If you are learning one database, later, whatever the database you want to connect using Python or using Django framework, you can connect other databases also. I will take care that how we can communicate to other databases. Got it? Yes. So just I'll show you 1, 2, 3 projects here in the browser. So these are just basic examples only. Like this, many examples we will do in our class, guys. Okay, na? So for example, here this is one application. So my database having hundreds of records. My database having hundreds of records. So I need to access all the records and I want to be displayed in table format in browser, guys. Okay. So right now like this displaying. So what is the first name, what is the last name, email, city, salary, role, like that. Later we can put some filter search box, guys. Okay. For example, if I'm entering 30,000, the people who are getting 30,000 related salary, those all people automatically filtering. Okay. If I'm sending a role like a TM, means a team leader, for example. Okay. So only team leader related people will get it. Or else multiple queries also. Okay. The people who are having first name, with query, okay, who are getting salary 10,000, those people all I want. Like this number of queries we can write, guys, SQL queries. In our Django framework, so we have ORM queries. Later I'll tell about ORM. Very, very important tool, guys. ORM, Object Relational Mapping Tool. Okay, na? So using ORM, how we are accessing this database related data, I will show you that. Okay, na? And also if more records there, we can put pagination related, guys. We can put pagination related. So whatever the page number we are clicking, that page related records only we are getting. So what is the pagination, how we are putting these all things, I'll take care. Okay, na? And for example, this is like a blog application, guys. Okay, this is like a blog application. So in this blog application, here you can put any logo, guys. Your company related logo you can put it. Okay, TCS logo is there, IBM logo is there, like Infosys logo. Whatever the logos you want, you can put. For example, if you are opening the Zomato application or Swiggy or Amazon, something logos there, guys. So you can put logos. How we are putting logos, all I will take care. So here number of menus there, guys. Whatever the menu we are clicking, that menu related content will display here. For example, here this is the registration related. You can enter your username, email, password, confirmation password, like that. Okay. After registration, you can log in. Okay. So after login, you can redirect it to somewhere. For example, Facebook page, if you are taking. So first we need to do registration, after then login. After that, we can enter into the home page. Okay. So here, lot of articles, guys. So this is the blog application. Articles I posted here. Okay, na? For example, who is the author of this article? This article created by whom? So and so person. When created? What is the title of this article? Article title, guys. And what is the content of this article? If you want, you can create number of lines also. So when more lines you are creating, after certain characters, you can put one button like more. Okay. So here more button you can put. Whenever people are clicking this more button, then entire article we are able to see. Understanding? So like we can get it. So here number of articles there. When we have the more articles here, scrolling we are getting as a scroll bar we are getting here. Scroll bar like this. Okay. So I don't want to be display all articles on my screen. So only 2 articles at a time I want to be put. I want to be display. Remaining articles like this pagination wise I created. Okay. So for example, if I'm clicking this next page related 2 more records, we got it about CSS related. Again, I'm clicking next page. Okay. See here, these page numbers also automatically changing. Okay. Based on the page, guys, based on the page. Okay. Automatically changing. So if we are clicking next pages will come. If I'm clicking last, then directly jumping to last page. For example, if I have 100 pages, then directly jumping to last 100th page. Okay. If I'm clicking first, then directly coming to the first page. If I'm clicking previous, only one step coming back. Okay, so like this, paginations we can handle, guys. More easily we can handle it. So this is very, very important. When you are opening the different websites, bottom side, a lot of paginations like you are getting, guys. And this pagination designing also different variations people are getting. So that is all later I'll take care how we are making all the things. Sometimes people are getting like only with a less than symbol, greater than symbol. Okay, so when you are clicking this like backside pages, when you are clicking this forward pages and the current page available here, current page number. Okay, so that is all our based on requirement we can develop it. Okay, and here some articles there, links there, guys. So whenever I'm clicking here latest articles, so recently created 3 articles we are getting. Latestly created 3 articles based on the date we are filtering, guys. Okay, for example, here I'm clicking on this name. Okay, so this particular person created records we are getting, guys. This particular person record totally how many records creating. So here we are getting all the records. Okay, posted by so and so person, like we are getting, guys. For example, you can see here another name, Ramu. Okay, so this Ramu created these 3 records. It means we are filtering by name, user name, guys, author name. So in this website, the number of authors created all articles there. Based on particular author name, we are filtering those author related all articles. Okay, and this author right now created these 3 records. If I'm clicking on this, okay, title, only the single record filtering, the single record filtering, guys. Okay, these all whenever we are clicking, so back inside in database, SQL performing, query executing. So these are called GUI menus, guys. When we are clicking as a user, when we are clicking back inside action performing. Okay, so how we are making integration with presentation technologies to backend technologies. Okay, so whatever we are able to see on this screen, that is called the presentation, guys. Okay, when we are clicking particular link, what action performing backend side, that is called backend technologies. Okay, na? So for developing the backend logics, what things we require to learn. For developing presentation things, whatever what things we need to be learn. Okay, these all things I will take care. Okay, I'll tell about those all things. Like this, many applications we are developing, guys, in our class only. See, this is like one web application. Okay, so here the just now I put like a Wipro. If you want, you can take it any name, guys. Okay, na? So here the some dummy name I created, like you can take it some Virat, Rohit, like whatever. So here skills there, and here the social media authentications there, guys. Okay, so like download your CV, and this is like your profile related, guys. 90% HTML, 80% CSS, I know, like that you can put it. Okay, na? See here, these all things. And also when we are minimizing this, see here. So in large screen, guys, horizontally 3 sections there, guys. Okay, so whenever I'm minimizing, all vertically coming. So it means in mobile screen here also menus are hiding, guys. Menus are hiding. Okay, na? So in large screen, all the menus displaying horizontally. Okay, we have the different screens, extra large screen device, a large screen, medium screen, small screen, extra small screen, like desktop computer, laptop, tab, mobile, like that. Different views, different screen sizes there is. So whenever our application we are opening using mobile or using laptop or using tab, automatically displaying presentation. Okay, that is called responsive design. So itself automatically adjusting based on the screen size, guys. Okay, na? So right now, if I'm clicking here, again moving to top like that. So these all in our class only we are developing, guys. So here also these header menus how we are creating, these bottom menus how we are creating. Okay, footer bar, header bar, footer bar, body, and also we can share this body like a number of sectors wise, guys. For example, you can see here. Yes. So this is my screen, guys. Totally screen. This is the total page. This page I divided like this is one section, guys, a header section, and this is the footer section. Okay. And next this is the left bar section. Okay. And this is the right section, guys. Sections wise I divided. If I'm clicking this register, that registration page will display here. If I'm clicking login page also will display here. It means any link you can click, guys. So action performing here only, response performing here only. Okay. So if you want right side, you can move to right side. This is all based on your requirement. We can develop it. For example, see here I'm minimizing, so all the menus are hiding this. Okay. So like this coming, and you can move like this bottom. Understanding? So I opened only 2-3 examples only. Like this number of examples we are developing in our class. So to developing this kind of application, we require to learn web technologies. Okay, nothing but these things, guys. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, these all things we require to learn, and also database required, MySQL, and also Django framework, along with Python related, core Python, advanced Python, like that. Okay, so in this core Python, so we are getting all basic fundamentals. Why required to learn Python language? We have so many languages like Java, .NET, C language, like so many are there, guys. Why required to learn Python language only? What are the advantages? Okay, these all things we are getting, guys, here. Fundamentals. What are the rules? How to creating variables? How to creating classes? What are the exceptions? Like all basic fundamentals we are getting in this advanced Python. Some third-party modules are predefined modules. So what is module? These all things I'll take care. Here programmatically, guys, logically we are getting here so many logical examples. Programmatically I will show you which are required for interviews related. Okay, so later using the Django framework. One point remember here, in industry people are calling like Django. Okay, Django, not DJango. As a student you can call DJango, no problem, but here D is a silent, guys. Okay, Django framework like we are calling. So what is framework? What is the use of framework? And we have this so many frameworks. So why required to learn this Django framework only? Why not other framework? Understanding? So this all, first of all, we need to get basic understanding. Then we can developing the applications, guys. Then we can developing the applications. Okay, na? Yes. And next, what is the use of REST API? It's very, very important in the real-time development, guys. Okay, so if you are developing APIs for your Django framework, okay, or else for your website, okay, if you are developing the REST APIs for your website, then our website can access by other applications also, or else from one application we can communicate to other application using the APIs more easily. These all things diagrammatically I will explaining, guys. For example, Java application will interact to Django application. Django application will interact to .NET application. How they are understanding, how they are exchanging the data, how they are transferring the data. These all things using the REST API is possible. Okay, so Django related coding different, .NET related coding different, Java related coding different, guys. Way of writing coding, syntaxes, data types, everything different. But how they are understanding each other. So that is because of REST APIs. So to developing the APIs, we have the many variations. So one is using Django REST framework, we can design. Okay, this is having more benefits. I'll tell what are the benefits there. One by one, I'll start the topics, guys. I'll take care about this one. Okay, na? So simply I'm giving here API related. For example, here my API is there. Here my API is there. So here Django application, here .NET application, here Java application, like many applications there. So all people, guys, all people via this API will interact. Okay, na? For example, my Django application here. This is my Django app, guys. My Django app sending the request, guys. My Django app sending the request via the API. Via the API. Okay. Now this API request sending to the Java, guys. This is like a response. Okay, na? Or else you can take it here also. Okay, request. Java taking this request, guys. Java app. Now Java processing this request. processing this request, generating the response, sending that response back guys via the API, only. Response coming back. Now this response taking by our Django. Okay, like this understanding guys. This is just overview only. Later more clearly diagrammatically I will explaining everything. Okay, so same like this one also guys. All the applications will interact using the APIs. This API containing the data in the form of JSON or XML. JSON or XML. So what is JSON? What is XML? What is the difference between JSON and XML? All things I'll take care. If you are learning Java or if you are learning .NET or you are learning Python related, so you need to be learn about JSON related, XML related also. Very, very important. Okay, na? I hope you all people are understanding about the course planning. Okay, end of this session, I will interact with you guys. So you can ask me more doubts, whatever you have. So next session onwards, topic wise, guys, I'll take care. Okay, na? So just one basic point I'll give you: why required to learn Python language instead of learning Java, .NET, C language like other languages. Okay, so I can say, guys, 100% Python is more easy. Python is more easy language to learn. Python is more easy language. How can you say Python is more easy language? Okay, and also Python is a general purpose language nowadays. People also call as Python is a general purpose language, guys. General purpose language. So what is general purpose language? How we are calling Python is a general purpose language. Okay, so these 2 points of you need to be learned first of all. Why people are calling Python is a general purpose programming language means, for example, if you are learning Python, guys, if you are learning Python, this is the Python language. After learning Python, guys, number of courses you can learn it. Number of courses, guys. Okay, na? Python is the basic fundamental to learn number of courses. Okay, na? So like this. So for example, here I'm giving Django. Django is one framework, and next Flask is one framework, and next here Azure, Python with Azure also you can learn it, guys, and robotics or data science related. Okay, data security also there, guys. Data security, robotics related, machine learning, deep learning, deep learning related. Okay, na? So DevOps. Okay, for example, I given like this. Only some examples only, guys. So Python is a language, basic language, guys. Once if you are learning Python language, later you can learn DevOps course. Okay, Python with DevOps, Python with machine learning, Python with robotics, Python with data science, Azure, Flask, Django. So the Django, Flask, these both we are learning for developing the web applications, guys. Simply web applications. For web applications purpose, we are learning these two. Using Django or Flask, we can developing web applications. Okay, na? So I have interest, guys. I have interest to developing the web applications like Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Swiggy. Then after learning Python, I can choose Django or I can choose Flask. So why Django choosing? Why not Flask choosing? I'll take it later. Okay, na? So I want to be developing the data science related applications. Then after Python data science related course, you can choose. Then you are going to be becoming like a data science engineer. Okay, and you want to be becoming like a Azure developer, then Python with Azure, like that you can take it. Okay, na? Directly if you are joining Azure related course, guys, your faculty will teach about the Python related first, and then later Azure related take care. Understanding? So that's why nowadays people are calling this Python is a general purpose language to learn about these all courses. Okay, na? So nowadays this Python, including in the academics also, guys, in your BTech or degree or MCA, people are getting this Python subject. So that much importance there, Python. So for example, as a fresher, I learned this Python. In my resume, I added this Python language, guys. Then number of company people, guys, looking for this Python developer, Python learner. For example, these DevOps related applications developing by IBM company, guys. Machine learning related applications developing by Wipro company, guys. Okay, na? Robotics related Infosys, guys. Infosys company having robotics related applications. So these all company people are looking for these Python learners. The people who are learning Python. So these all people are looking for Python learners. So they are hiring this Python learner, and later they are training about the DevOps related. They are training about the machine learning. Whatever the things they require, okay, they are going to teach about that particular technology. Okay, so just for example, you are adding Java, guys, in your resume. In your resume, Java language you are adding. So Java related only one company following, guys. For example, Java related only one company following, that is IBM. For example, IBM. Okay, na? So only IBM company people will looking for Java related students. Okay, if you are adding the Python, if you are learning the Python, these all company people are looking for you. So that much importance is there, Python related. That's why nowadays, after completing their academics like BTech or MCA or degree, so out of 100%, guys, so 70 to 80% of the students learning Python only. 70 to 80% of the students learning Python. Along with Python, later they are choosing some other courses, or else along with Python, people are also choosing the Java as a fresher. Is it clear? So that's why Python is called like a general purpose language nowadays. And also one more point, Python is more easy language, I said, guys. Python is more easy language. How can you say? I'll give you only just one basic point. I want to print, guys, hello message. Okay, hello, good morning. I want to be print that message. So using Java, how we are printing? Using Java, how we are printing this basic message. Okay, I'll give you this simple one. Okay, so in Java, using the class keyword, guys, followed by class name. For example, I'm taking like a message. Okay, after that, curly brace syntax we are following to representing the group of statements. So class followed by class name. Here, public, static, void, main. You don't worry, just follow this coding. Okay, not required for us. Just I'm giving overview. Public, static, void, main, string, aux, list of aux, and then again curly brace we are following. And now here system dot out dot println hello, good morning. Okay, this is my message, and semicolon also required, guys. Okay, so if you want to print this hello, good morning message in Java, you need to write these lines of code, guys. These many lines of coding. Okay, so here class having its own meaning. It's a predefined keyword, guys, and this is the class name. To creating this class name here, we need to be follow some rules and regulations. Okay, here a lot of rules there. First of all, we need to learn about these all rules. Then we are able to write this class name. Okay, and here public having meaning, guys. Here we can write public, private, protector, like different things we can write. Access modifiers we are calling. So if writing public, what happen? If writing protect, what happening? If writing private, what happening? These all things we need to be learn. Okay, so static having meaning, void having meaning, like these all things. This is the class, guys. This is the object, this is the method. Okay, and after that, this is our message, required message. Here semicolon also required. Okay, na? And this curly brace also having meaning. So after learning about these all concepts, after learning about these all concepts, then we are able to write, able to display this hello, good morning message. This is in Java, guys, we are following. Okay, na? So for example, if you are choosing Java course for learning, so you need to be put more concentration, more time to learn these all things. So this is making more burden on the students, more burden on the students. Okay, na? So I have very less skills, guys. I have very less skills. I don't have much more skills. That's why I choose the Python language. So in Python, using Python, how we are displaying this message. Okay, na? So you can see in Python we have a method called we have a function called print function, guys. Okay, some people called method, some people called function. Don't worry, later I'll tell what is the difference between method and function. Okay, na? Yes. Now here simply you can write hello, good morning. That's it. That's it. The single line enough, guys. The single line enough in our Python. So what is the use of print function? That is, if you are learning, that's enough. By using the print function in our Python, we can print messages whatever we want. That's it. Using print function, we can print the message or we can print the data. Single line definition, guys. So after learning about this print, then directly required message we can display. That's it. Understanding? So we are writing only single line code, and also we are learning about only one function definition. But here, this one separate definition. Okay, these all are separate definitions, guys. After learning these all rules and regulations, then we are able to write this message. Okay, na? So that's why if you are choosing the Python, so we are writing less lines of code, guys. Within the less time we are writing, with the less time, with the less lines of code we are writing, and reducing more burden on developers. Reducing more burden on developers. So this is a basic example. If we are developing real-time examples, for example, 1,000 lines of code required, 1,000 lines of code required in Java. The same application using Python, if we are developing less than 500 lines, less than 500 lines enough, guys. That much importance there, that much benefits there using Python. Okay, so these all things slowly you will get it. This is only basic session, so don't worry. From next session onwards, I'll take care. Why required to learn Python? What are the advantages of Python? What are the futures of Python? Who designed Python? Like all the things. Okay, na? So if anyone asking why required to learn Python, Python is more easy when compared to the other languages in point of syntax. Okay, or lines of code related, like these all things, guys. If you want, you can take it one more point also, guys. I'm going to give one more difference compared to other languages, and later remaining all topics we'll discuss from next session onwards. So here, Java, guys. Java follows the static data type, guys. Okay, Java is a statically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. What is static, what is dynamic, we will discuss. Okay, so using Java, using Java. So if I want to store data, guys, for example, int a equal to value followed by semicolon. So this is the syntax in this is the variable creation in Java, guys. For example, data type followed by variable name equal to variable value, variable value, semicolon. This is Java syntax, guys. Data type followed by variable name equal to variable value. So this is the data type, and this one is the variable name equal to variable value followed by semicolon. Okay, na? Yes. So now, guys, here before assigning this 10 value into a variable, nothing but here we are storing 10 value into a variable, guys. Before assigning the value to a variable, we represented here what type of value is required. Integer type required. Okay, so here 10 is also a integer, no problem. Instead of that, if I'm giving like this float value. Okay, this is a float value, guys. The point is there, floating value. So if I'm assigning, if I'm trying to assign this value to a into variable, then immediately this line returns exception. Why means here required integer type. Before assigning the value to a variable, we represent here data type. What type of value is required? It means as a developer or else as a learner, we need to be put more concentration before assigning the values to a variable. Otherwise, getting problem. Okay, na? So this is one problem there, guys, in Java. If it is Python, as a developer or learner, we are not responsible to focus on the data type of value. Python itself automatically understanding at runtime. At runtime means whenever we are executing the program, at the time of executing the program, at runtime automatically understanding, guys. Okay. So what is the type of value? Based on that, creating the data, storing the data. So in Python, just variable name equal to variable value. This syntax we are following. Variable name equal to variable value. For example, a equal to 10. So now integer memory creating, integer memory. Next, I'm taking, for example, a equal to 10.50. This is the float, guys. Float memory creating automatically. Float related memory creating. Okay. A equal to something, for example, I'm taking like something name called Virat. So this is the string type value. So string memory creating. It means based on the value at runtime, automatically memory is creating to this variable. Okay, we are not responsible. Python itself take caring what type of value is there. Okay, how much memory is required to store this value like that. But in Java, as a developer or as a learner, we are responsible to handling these all things. Okay, and here one more thing you can see. Int a equal to 10, guys. Okay, so next here, just see here what are the problems there. I'm taking here long a, float a, double a. These all are data types in Python, guys. These all are data types in Python. Sorry, Java. See here, int a equal 10 means this size memory enough. This size memory is enough to store this 10 value. Okay. Next, same 10 value I taken here long related data type. Okay. So long means more memory taking, more memory. This size memory occupying, but we are storing only 10 value. Okay. Na? And again, same value float memory I taken. So this is taking more memory, guys. But we are storing the 10 value only. Double is taking more memory. Okay. So here also we are storing 10 value only. Okay. Na? See, guys, here to store this 10 value, this memory is enough, for example. Okay, this size memory is enough. Instead of writing like this int a equal 10, okay, by mistake I created like this double a equal to 10. For this memory is creating. So this entire memory is wasting or not? This entire memory is wasting. Here also this memory is wasting. Here also this one is wasting. So this size is enough. But as a developer, I done mistake. Instead of int, I took, okay, I created like double. Then memory is wasting. So in Java, as a developer, we are the responsible to managing the memory. Okay, to managing the memory, guys. Otherwise, a lot of memory wasting, performance performance wasting, guys. Okay, performance of the application increasing or decreasing. These all kind of things we need to be focused it. Okay, na? So if more memory is wasting means obviously cost of the project also increasing. Performance decreasing, like several things there. That's why making more burden on developers to managing the memory allocations, guys. But in Python itself managing memory allocations instead of developers. So that is one of the best benefit using Python language. That's why Nowadays, people are giving more priority to this Python language. So these are the just two examples only I told you guys. Okay, like this, many differences there compared to other languages. So these all things from next session onwards we will discuss. Okay, na? So in our entire course, like this, the number of applications, web applications, I will show you in our class only, guys. Okay, na? I will show you many applications. Here I opened only some examples only. So we have the tools, guys, the coding tools we have, like a Postman, Swagger, Postman, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, NetBeans, like so many IDs, the real-time IDs, which we are using for developing the coding. Okay, na? So I'll take care about the PyCharm related or Sublime Text related or Visual Code, Visual Studio Code, guys. These three things I will explain it. Okay, any one you need to be learned. Some people are interested, liking to use Visual Studio Code. Some people are interested to using PyCharm related, how we are downloading, how we are installing, how we are creating projects using PyCharm or using Visual Studio Code. All the things myself will take care. Every topic related steps I will give you guys. Step 1 what, step 2 what, like that. If you are following the steps, then automatically yourself you are able to write the coding. Without following the procedure, guys, if you are trying to write the coding, so you are unable to write the coding. The procedure is very, very important to write the coding. So myself, I'm giving more focus on the procedure related. So in my classes also, I will ask next step what, next step what. When people are giving response, then myself developing coding. Got it? Yes, I said, guys, in the chat box, WhatsApp group link, all things. So please click on that link. You will join into the WhatsApp group, everyone. Then you will get material related, content related, all the things. Okay, na? So every weekend exam is there, mock interviews there. You need to be ready for that. Okay, be planning like that. So this is Saturday, I want to leave, like that. Don't think, guys. Okay, myself, I will take care Saturday also. Saturday only very, very important for you to crack your interviews more easily. Okay, na? Yes. So yeah, I'll stop now here. If you are having any queries, you can ask me, guys. And this is just overview only I given. From tomorrow onwards, my main points are using Python. What are the benefits? Why required to choose? What is Python? What is Django framework? Like all the topics related, I'll give you topic by topic. So please attend 3 sessions. Okay, this is demo over, guys. From tomorrow onwards, regular sessions. Okay, 3 sessions you can join freely without paying also. After that, you need to be registered. Got it? Yes. Thank you, guys. Yeah, please. Anyone having queries?
Yes. Hi. I have a question.
Yes.
So whatever the code, the existing code that is written in Java, can we write the same code using Python, or can we
Yes.
use Python to write the existing functionality?
Existing functionality, same Java functionality we can write in Python also 100%, but code changes required. Which means Python related syntax, data types all are different. Java related all are different. Okay, requirement is same. In Java, what requirement related, what is your requirement is there, that related coding you are writing, same requirement we are taking in our Python. By following our Python rules and regulations, we will create it.
Okay, thank you. I have another question, ma'am.
Yes.
I kind of joined a little late. How
Yes.
long is this course duration?
Yes. This is totally Python full stack. If you want to be joined, 3 months duration. Okay, here is the 3 months duration, 7:30 to 9 a.m. Okay, Monday to Saturday sessions there. Every Saturday exams will conducting, mock interviews conducting. Okay, and myself I will share some materials also. There logical questions there. up to this week, whatever the topics we are covering, the topics related questions, interview questions, logical questions, I will say to you for practicing. And after that, you need to be prepared that. And when you have the doubts related to any logical question or theoretical question, I will let you know. Okay, na?
Okay, thank you. Will we get the recording for each day's session?
Yes. 1 year access you will get it from today onwards. Okay, na? So in middle,
Okay.
any 1 or 2 class you are missing, you can follow the video. Every day, within the day, you will get the video link to your WhatsApp or to your mail.
And in the Saturdays, whatever the mock interviews and the tests that we take, is it at the same time or do we have it at other time?
Maximum same time only we are planning. Why means some other timings, other sessions will be there. Okay.
Okay.
We
Thank
plan
you.
it. Exams related, I'll give you tomorrow full clarity. Okay. Na?
Okay, thank you.
Most of the times, same time only planning. So in class live coding, myself like this all code in class only developing us, and every functionality why we are developing, and also in the internet where you are getting code. One point remember, so in the real-time developers, so whenever they are getting the problem, their problem related, they are looking into the Google and they are getting the solution. So for example, Stack Overflow site is there. So there are a lot of solutions we are getting for our requirement related. So how we are getting that code, how we are using that code, these all things in our class I will show you. Okay, so every topic related materials created, material 1, material 2, topic wise I will say to you after completing the session. Okay, and in our session, whatever the programs we are doing practice, those programs are projects I will say to you every day for your reference. So you need to be develop yourself in your machine, and also when you are getting problems, you can see my code. Okay, still you are getting problems, creating one WhatsApp group, okay, by management. So in that group you can post your doubt, okay, your errors, exceptions you can post. So whenever I have the free time, I'll give you solutions, or else your friends will give you solutions. For example, one program you are doing practice, your friend doing practice, you may get problem, your friend not getting problem, so they may give solution to you immediately. Okay, na?
Yeah,
Yes.
one quick thing,
Any
sir.
other queries?
Yeah, are you going to teach data structures and algorithms with Python in these advanced topics, or
Which one? Data?
data structures and algorithms?
Yes. Here algorithms are not required exactly. So data types related, data structures we are discussing clearly. Okay, in Python, what are the data structures there? So in every data structure, syntax how we are writing, and every data structure having a lot of methods, predefined methods. So what is the use of those methods? How we are creating, how we are using those methods in our existing development. I mean, in our coding development. Like these all things practical, I will show you.
Okay, got it. Thank
you. Yes. Any other queries?
So like all the modules will be taught by you or any other faculty?
Yeah, these all things myself only take care. Totally Python related myself only. Okay, na?
Okay.
So for example, I told 3 months duration. Na? So right now we are planning core Python, later advanced Python, like that. One by one we will come or we will discuss. So if you all people also having some other time, also free time, so then after completing these things, so morning session we are planning this Django, evening session for example we are planning this one. So if you are able to join that evening session also, then within less than 3 months we can complete course. Okay, na? That is all depending on the students time availability, we will plan it. So one by one, same time if you are learning, 3 months duration required. Okay, and only Python, core Python, advanced Python with database related 45 days session enough. If you want to join only Python, okay, core Python, advanced Python with database 45 days. Okay, remaining things 45 days. So I'm dividing like 2 major sectors. Okay, one is Python related, core Python, advanced Python with database. Another one is framework related, DJango framework with REST API and web technologies. Okay, na? So here everyone is like one module, core module, advanced module, framework related module, API module, and database related, web technologies related, followed by real-time tools and real-time modules also there. Real-time modules, hundreds of modules there, guys. So some important modules like pandas module, numpy module, request module, JSON module. So what are the very, very important module there? I'll take care about that. Calendar module, date time related module, means the dates related information we can handle. Okay, na? Voice module, system module, like important modules I'll take care. Okay, na? And one point remember, so your education background, you are belongs to degree or BTech or MCA, this is not a matter. All the people can learn. Even you are learning you completed BTech with a mechanical background or a civil background or a triple E background, no problem. Anybody can learn software related courses. Okay, as a CSC student, as a IT student, we are unable to join civil related jobs, mechanical related jobs. But as a mechanical student, as a civil student, you can join software courses and you can do software jobs also. So that facility there here, and all people without knowing any programming background, so far right now, you can join directly Python, you can learn it. So many people, guys, the people who are planning to learn Java, before that they are planning to learn C language. In C language, they are getting rules and regulations like variables, what is variable, how to creating variable, use of variable, like loops, for loop, while loop, how we are writing, when we are writing, conditions like if conditions, else conditions. These all they are learning in C language. Later they are learning Java related. Okay, but for our Python, without learning C language, directly we can learn Python. Already I told just 2 points only. Why required to learn Python? Just based on this. So tomorrow you will get more points. Okay. And after learning Python, why we are required to choose the DJango framework? Why not other framework? I will take care of these all things. And also one real-time full stack web applications. This application using Java, using .NET, using Python, we can develop. Okay. So using Java, then what are the technologies required? Using Python, what are things we require to learn? Using Java .NET, what things we require to learn? These all things I'll give you clarification from tomorrow onwards. Okay, na? And what are the real-time companies? Which companies using this Python related, Django framework related? I will show you in internet everything. Okay, so top most companies which are using Django framework nowadays, for example, YouTube using, Mozilla using, okay, like so many companies using, guys. I will show you those all things with diagrammatically, and also some websites there. There all languages related ratings there, guys. An international website there. So that website giving ratings to every language, Python, Java, .NET. So right now, which language having more demanding? How that particular language? Why that particular language getting demanding? So all the factors giving, reasons giving. I will show you these all things from tomorrow onwards. So then you will get clarification. So why required to learn this Python like that? Okay, I didn't plan today only all the things. One by one, you will get it. I said already. So coming 3 days also you can join freely. Later you can do the registration
Like
if you want to
one
continue.
more,
Yeah,
one
tell
more
me.
question, like out of curiosity. So, in Java we have Spring Boot and microservices, right? So
Yes.
how we can deal those things in Python?
You are developing their microservice, that is using REST API we can cover it. Okay, replacing. Okay, na? So in Java web services there, na? Web services. Okay.
Spring Boot and
Yes,
microservices.
yes.
Yeah.
So here not required, only just the Django framework with REST API, that's enough. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay.
So using your Spring Boot with microservices, you are developing the APIs and you are interacting to other applications like that. Here using the REST API, we can design. Using pure Django also, we can developing the APIs. Using Django REST framework also, we can developing the APIs. So what is the difference between Django related APIs and REST related APIs? So why REST APIs getting more popularity nowadays? So why not other APIs? These all things topic by topic we will discuss. Any other queries?
So like whatever the projects we are covering, those can like we can put that in resume and we can attend for interviews, right?
Not exactly. Okay. So I'm not saying like blindly you can put these all things in your resume like that. So whatever the projects, mini projects we are developing in our regular session. So those projects, if you are doing practically all the things. So by putting experience, if you are joining into the real-time companies, so you can easily handle your real-time projects. Okay. We will share some resumes, guys. They're having the projects. You can put those projects in your resume. If you are putting fake experience like then, okay. So these are things for learning the subject related, how we are handling, how we are integrating front end with the back end, how we are integrating to APIs, this server side logics along with the APIs, how we are integrating. Okay. And after developing the APIs using the Postman tool, how we are testing. These all things practical I will show you. Okay. So with the 2 years pressure, I mean 1 year experience, 2 years experience, you can put these things, no problem. But more than 3 years experience, if you want to be put, myself, I'm telling, instead of these projects, you can put some other projects. We will share those all things also.
Okay.
Any other?
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Suppose, for example, if you want to put Python developer in my resume, if I
Okay.
learn core Python, advanced Python, and one database is enough.
Yes, only Python if you want to put, yes, core Python, advanced Python, along with the database. That's enough.
Okay.
Only pure Python. Okay. So one point, remember, using pure Python, we are not developing much more applications. Okay. Along with Python, Django framework is for developing web applications like Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, like these kind of online applications. Okay. Or else along with this core Python, advanced Python after database, okay, you can choose data science, or you can choose robotics or DevOps or Azure, like that, any one other course. Then you can develop the real-time applications.
Okay.
Understanding?
Yes.
So that's why I'm not telling all people should require to join full stack related. If our aim is to becoming like a web developer, then you can choose this full stack. Okay, I want to go with data science related. If you are thinking, then core Python, advanced Python with database. After that, data science course you need to join. DevOps you need to join. Azure you need to join, like that.
Okay.
So like this core Python and Python scripting is similar, same, or how it is?
Come again.
This core Python and scripting, Python scripting,
Yes, yes.
both are same or similar?
Yeah, both are same only. Both are same
Both are
only.
same.
Python is Python is called like scripting language. So Java is a programming language. What is the difference between programming language, scripting language? These all things from tomorrow onwards you will get it. Okay. So here how we are creating, how we are saving the Python files, how we are running the Python files, how we are getting the outputs, all the things one by one, you will get it. Okay. For example, you knows Java, or else your friend knows Java, friend developing Java related APIs. Using our Python, we can communicate to that Java application. So in Python, how we are writing that code, how we are using the Java related API in our code, how we are interacting to Java, Java interacting to database, that data we can access, we can use here. How we can do these all things, I will show you here practically. Okay. Yes, Suman Reddy. Yes, we can host the application also. So we have the multiple servers, different servers we have. Okay, so AWS server there we can deploy it, or else Vercel server is there for student point of view. Vercel server is there, or else Guinicon servers there, or else the Python anywhere server there. So anywhere we can deploy it. I'll take care of that. Okay, na?
Have we discussed about the required tools to learn?
Yes, real-time tools, Postman,
Python?
how we are downloading, how we are testing APIs, GitHub related, how we are installing Git software and creating GitHub account, and how we are sharing our local system related project code to the GitHub, and from GitHub, how we are pushing to the server, live server. All things I'll take care, guys. Logging related, Jira related. Okay. These all things. I mean, off source companies. Product-based companies, service-based companies. So what is the difference? These all things we will discuss. Real-time terminologies, all the things.
Yeah, are these the only 4 tools that is required to learn Python? Where are we writing the code?
Yeah, in this core Python, all the fundamentals, rules you are getting. Okay. After installation and after installing, what we are getting, how we are creating files, we are executing files, like all things, the data types, data structures here we are getting, what are the structures are there. Okay, like all the things you are getting here, and later from here onwards, programmatically we are getting logically. Okay, big logics we can write from advanced Python onwards. Okay. So here every concept related small programs I will show you, testing related. For example, we have the print function. So using print function, we can print some messages on console, like I'm saying definition. So directly that program I will show you outputs. And in one variable, what type of data is there I want to know. Is it integer type, or is it a string type, or is it a float type? I want to know. Then how we can test that. Like that, all the testing related, rules related, and the conditions there. For example, if conditions, else conditions, else if conditions there. So for example, I want to check one student passed or failed based on his result. So marks between 0 to 100 there. Okay, so less than 35 failed, above the 35 passed, above the 70 first class passed, or else more than 100 or less than 0 invalid marks. Like how we are testing, like all basic fundamentals you are getting, guys, here. Okay, so next, exceptions there, files how we are handling, exceptions how we are handling, regular expressions there, oops concept there. Okay, so oops concepts related, these all things in advanced Python we are getting. Okay, and in this advanced Python only we will get some real-time modules. Okay, Python related types of modules there: free defined modules, user defined modules, and third party modules. For example, free defined means along with Python software coming some modules. User defined or developer defined means we are creating as a developer our own modules. And the third party modules means some other people they developed already, they maintained in internet, they kept in internet. How we are getting those third party modules, how we can use those modules in our development. I will show you these all things in this advanced Python. Clear? Any other
Yes,
queries?
thank you.
Anyone having queries? So in the chat box, guys, already given WhatsApp group. Please click on that. You will join into WhatsApp. There you will get all updates, material related, and video access link related, everything. And given one management number also, admin number. So you can call to this number for more information. WhatsApp to this number. So many people, guys, previously, the people who have worked in Java related, .NET related. So nowadays, so many people are changing to their technology to this Python related. So previously myself, I took many batches, weekend batches, only Saturday, Sunday, only weekend, Saturday, Sunday, long sessions. I took many batches, guys. So in that batches, only real-time employees only there. Okay, the people who worked already 5 years with Java, .NET related technologies. Okay, na? So their management announced we have 2 months time. So later we are going to start project using Django framework. So for our company, new projects coming to Django related platform. So you people need to learn Django. Otherwise, you can choose other company. I mean, you can search outside Java related like that. Announced already. So that's why some people directly moving to other companies by putting resume in Naukri or LinkedIn like somewhere. Some people learn Django, Python related and develop their company projects only. Okay, na? So Saturday, Sundays, long sessions taking for weekend batches. Okay, right now I didn't plan weekend batch. So this full stack I plan right now. Yes, any other queries, guys? Or shall we close?
Yeah, no questions for now.
Yes, yes. The people who are not having question, you can left. Come on, guys, anyone? Yeah, Sandeep, no doubt at all job related. So Python related, we have the more opportunities, guys, compared to the other languages. Okay, I said already, tomorrow I will show you one website also. In that all top languages, nearly 15 to 20 languages are related. Graphs there, guys. Okay, ratings there. So which one is the toppest rating there? Why toppest rating given to that particular language like that? So obviously Python only having toppest rating compared to Java, .NET, JavaScript, C language, all languages. Toppest rating given to the Python only. Why given? Okay. So these all things tomorrow I'll show you. I'll tell one point. So after learning Python, we have the more job opportunities. That's why people are learning more and more this Python related, and also more packages people are getting as a Python developer. Immediately they are getting job opportunities. So that's why they given toppest rating to Python. And also Java people not moving to .NET related, the people who are working already. .NET people not moving to Java, but Java people, .NET people all are moving to Python related easily. Why means Python is that much easy and that much importance there. So that's why all people are planning to learn Python related real-time developers also. The people who are working in other platforms. Okay, clear?
Yes, yes, it is clear.
Yes. Yes, guys. Please plan for next session also. I told 3 more sessions you can join directly with this link only. So you will get totally overview about this total course. Okay. So Python related, all the features, advantages, all the things you will get it. And tomorrow I will show you Django related also, which toppest companies using this Django framework, why this Django framework getting demanding, and I'll give you about the REST API also. Today I given all total overview. So next session, each topic related, I mean each module related separately I'll give you. After that, one by one, we will start it. And every day topic related material I will share. not initial days. So 1-2 days after completing, then you will get material. So you note, no doubt at all, your preparation is very important. Okay, whatever the topics we are sharing, material, whatever the interview questions we are sharing, whatever the logical questions we are sharing, if you are preparing those, definitely you will crack your interview more easily. Okay, so many batches I completed, guys. So in every batch, some people got jobs immediately. Not all people, I'm saying. I mean, some people they are not starting learning right now. After completing course, then they are starting. Okay, so that is not good. You need to be spent every day at least 1 hour time to do the practice. So initial days, guys, I said already, I put more concentration on procedure myself. More concentration on procedure I'll put. If you are following procedure, then you are able to write the coding. Without the procedure, so it's more hard to write the coding. You are unable to be remembering. Sometimes we are writing more lines of code, that time getting more complexity. But if you are following the procedure, next what, then you are able to write coding more easily. Procedure is nothing but like algorithm. Okay, what need to do like that. According to our architecture, next what, like that, we will plan. So Django framework having its own architecture, Java having its own architecture. So what is the difference between those architectures? In our Django, how we are developing according to architecture. These all things we will discuss. Yeah, guys. So any other queries, or I will close this session. Don't get fear. So freely, openly, you can ask your doubts here. In chat box, you can post. Later, a WhatsApp group creating. Okay, already created WhatsApp group. There also you can post when you are doing practice, whatever the doubts you are getting. Okay, be friendly. All the people, you will get success. So,
Good morning, sir.
yes, good morning.
Sir, can we get the recordings? And is there any other trial session like classes where we can join?
Recordings you are getting, and one more thing, what you are asking?
Like another 2 classes, any free sessions before
Yes.
paying fees?
Yes. Coming 2 more sessions or 3 sessions you can join, no problem.
Yes, sir. And first we will be covering Python. Later on, we will see of Django.
Yes, sir. Yes. Next tomorrow also I will tell you about some points why required to learn Python, why importance of Python. Okay, and later Django related, and then REST related. After that, topic wise we will discuss. Today total overview about the duration. Okay, what we are going to covering, all the things I explained right now. So tomorrow onwards, so topic wise we will discuss Python
Like,
advantages, all the things. Yeah, tell me.
a 1 month course, sir, Python alone?
No. Total Python full stack is 3 months. Okay, na? 3 months duration. Only Python with Django and core Python, advanced Python with database 45 days.
Okay.
Okay, na? This is of course. Remaining things of course.
Okay.
For example, I will copy this here. This is the first section, guys. Okay, na? And these all web technologies, including web technologies. Second section. Remaining 45 days. Clear?
Okay,
And
sir.
Saturdays, exams conducting, and real-time tools discussing, and in our coding also, where we are using, how we are using, all the things I will show you here. In class only we are developing all this code, everything where you are getting, how we are getting, why we are writing, everything myself I will take care of it. Okay, na?
I have
By,
another
by
question.
seeing
That
like
do
this,
you-
many lines of code, don't get confusing. Everything I will take care. Yeah, somebody asking. Tell me.
I was asking, do you have only the morning class or do you have one in the evening as well?
Right now, this
So-
session planning morning only. Maybe after some days planning to evening. Understanding?
Yeah, I was thinking if you have any evening sessions.
Okay, right now not at planned, sir. In maybe future. I mean, morning sometime taking, evening sometime taking. So once completing evening session, then again one more batch planning like that.
Understood.
Okay, yeah. Any others? Okay, guys. Thank you for attending this session. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. See you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.